Okay, so you have tried a couple survey sites and didn't earn much. Or maybe you have been eyeing online surveys as a way to earn extra money, but are still shopping around for the best sites to join. Either way, you should know that paid surveys are one of the easiest ways to earn cash online, but they are not all equal. Some companies give you more ways to earn than others, some have more surveys than others, and some just straight up pay more money. So to save you endless hours of research and survey testing, I have put together my top 13 highest paying survey sites online. I have compiled all the important information you need to know about each survey company so you can find your perfect survey site match. So before going deeper into the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. So let's get started. How do online survey sites work? Online survey sites are more commonly referred to as GPT or get paid to sites these days because many of them give you multiple ways to earn besides just surveys. For example, you can watch video ads, play online games, and participate in competitions to make money. For every online survey site, it's free to sign up and some even offer cash bonuses for doing so. The email address you use to sign up will be where you're sent survey offers and any other announcements. And this is what you need to look out for. The surveys sent to you greatly depend on the information you provide in your account profile. This is where you will state your gender, race, religion, income, and more. At first, this might seem a bit invasive, but you must share this information so that companies know whether to include you in a survey or not. Remember, their goal is to conduct market research, which involves targeting specific demographics and finding out their opinions. When you are sent a survey offer, you will follow the link and answer a few questions about your preferences, opinions, and experiences. Each survey typically takes only about 10–15 minutes, and some are even shorter. And be aware that sometimes you might get booted out of a survey after you have already started. This can be frustrating, but really it's just the name of the game. Your responses to the first few questions sometimes impact whether or not they want more information from you. If you're booted out of a survey, don't fret. There will be more survey offers on the way, and in the meantime, you can earn in other ways like watching videos, playing games, searching the internet using a browser extension, etc. How much money can you make taking surveys online? While some sites pay pretty well for surveys, focus groups, and referrals, it's important to have realistic expectations about how much you can earn. Making money online from survey and GPT sites is not a fast way to get rich. As someone who's used quite a few survey sites before, take it from me. They don't pay enough points or dollars to make a ton of money each month. But remember, the idea behind taking surveys for money is to make money in your spare time, not to replace your full-time job. So take surveys when you are on the subway to work in the morning, at home on the weekends, or at a restaurant waiting for your food to arrive. Essentially, taking surveys online lets you monetize your downtime. Also, to make the most money you can, take advantage of all of the different ways to earn on these sites. Doing so will increase your earnings significantly than just waiting around for surveys. So I am showing you the top 6 high-paying sites to make money online from surveys. Number 1. Prolific. Prolific works with 3,000 plus researchers and over 500 academic and research institutions and companies to conduct market research, behavior research, and opinion polls. Based in the UK, Prolific is not as widely known as other survey sites, but offers some of the highest paying online surveys with the lowest cash out amount. They also pay in real currency, so no point system is involved. An important thing to note is that Prolific pays in GBP, so you will need to convert your earnings into USD within your PayPal account. PayPal charges a small currency exchange fee, but it's very easy and convenient using the PayPal app. So if you want to take part in the next Oxford University, Stanford, or Yale research study, Prolific is a legit survey company that'll connect you to interesting studies happening each and every day. Number 2. SurveyJunkie. SurveyJunkie has over 10 million members, making it one of the largest and most trusted online survey sites around. You also have quite a few ways to earn on SurveyJunkie, and some of these pay pretty well. Besides surveys, you can also participate in product testing. Earn up to $50 per review. Focus groups earn up to $150. Phone surveys earn up to $100. As with most high-paying survey sites, you'll want to fill out your profile completely and accurately in order to get more survey offers. SurveyJunkie even incentivizes this process, giving you points for answering more questions about yourself. Overall, signing up for SurveyJunkie is like a rite of passage for people looking to make money online from surveys. They're legit, well-established, and because of this have an incredibly user-friendly platform that makes taking surveys and tracking earnings easy. Number 3. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most popular survey and rewards programs out there, and it's no surprise why. With Swagbucks, you can earn PayPal money and free gift cards in so many different ways. It's impossible to list them all. Not only do you have the ways to earn listed above, but Swagbucks also has sweepstakes you can enter, a swag button which alerts you to cashback offers similar to Rakuten, and even leg trivia rounds. In short, you won't run out of ways to make money online with Swagbucks. Oh, and it's one of the ways I get free Starbucks drinks. Free mochas. Swagbucks also has a generous referral program where you can earn 500 SB, $5 for each friend/family you refer. And you'll earn 10% of their Swagbucks earnings for life. Yes, for life. Number 4. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars has been around since 2000 and to date has paid out over $59 million to users. They work with big-name brands like Target, Netflix, and Walmart to administer surveys and conduct market research on consumers like you. Not only do you have a variety of simple tasks you can get paid for, but Inbox Dollars also has a referral friend program that lets you earn $1 for each referral and 30% of their lifetime earnings. Not bad. Another perk to Inbox Dollars is they offer a $5 instant sign-up bonus and no strings attached. Number 5. Opinion Outpost. Opinion Outpost has an impressive 2 million users and is a trusted, high-paying survey site that's owned by the company that.Paid. that.Paid is an international survey provider that also owns Quick Thoughts and One Opinion, other quality survey sites. Benefits of Opinion Outpost include their low payout amount of only $5 or 50 points, and the fact that each survey earns you between 10-30 points. Some surveys even pay up to 50 points, so you'll need to hop on those offers fast. You can also get a referral bonus of $1 per friend or family member, up to $5 total. Number 6. mypoints. mypoints is a reward site that's part of Proj, the company behind Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars. It offers similar ways to earn and has a 4.4 to 5 excellent rating on Trustpilot. mypoints also has a referral bonus of 750 points for referring a friend who spends at least $20 within 30 days on mypoints.com. You can only refer one friend and get the bonus opportunity though. But still, free points is free money. You can sign up today and get a $10 bonus for spending your first $20 on mypoints in 30 days. I hope you like this video. If you really then do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonder.